Welcome to Fact Fusion Network, where we break down the most fascinating facts on science, technology, and beyond. Today's topic is one that's often debated in the tech world: artificial intelligence versus human intelligence. Is AI taking over? Will it surpass human capabilities, or are there limits? And what does the future hold? Let's dive into it. What is intelligence? When we talk about intelligence, what do we really mean? Intelligence can be defined as the ability to learn, reason, solve problems, and adapt to new situations. For humans, this includes creativity, emotional awareness, and complex decision-making. But AI, or artificial intelligence, takes a different approach. AI doesn't have emotions or consciousness. It's a system designed to process information and produce solutions, sometimes far faster than the human brain. But here's the thing: AI is only as good as the data it's given. While AI can learn patterns and improve over time, human intelligence is more flexible. We can think abstractly, handle emotions, and tackle problems in ways AI can't, at least not yet. How AI has evolved. Artificial intelligence has come a long way. In the early 1950s, AI was just an idea, a concept explored by scientists and mathematicians. Fast forward to today, and AI is everywhere. From self-driving cars to voice assistants like Siri and Alexa, AI has made incredible strides in helping humans with daily tasks. We've now entered the age of machine learning and deep learning, where AI systems teach themselves how to perform tasks. They can analyze massive amounts of data, detect patterns, and even make predictions. And in some cases, AI outperforms humans. For example, in 2017, an AI beat the world champion in the game of Go, a complex strategy game that was once thought impossible for machines to master. Human intelligence versus AI capabilities. So, where does AI stand compared to human intelligence? Let's break it down into a few key areas. Problem solving and speed. AI can process data and solve specific problems faster than humans. It can run simulations, analyze vast datasets, and crunch numbers in seconds. For example, AI can quickly diagnose diseases by analyzing medical scans, while a human doctor would take much longer. Creativity and emotions. Here's where humans still reign supreme. AI can generate art or music based on algorithms, but it doesn't feel the way we do. Human creativity comes from emotions, experiences, and imagination. AI can mimic creativity but lacks the emotional depth behind it. Learning and adaptability. I can learn from data, but it's limited to the information it's trained on. Humans, on the other hand, can learn from experiences, stories, and intuition. We adapt to new situations in ways that AI struggles to replicate. Collaboration, not competition. Now, here's the exciting part. Rather than thinking of AI and human intelligence as rivals, many experts believe that the future lies in collaboration. AI can handle tasks that are too complex or time-consuming for humans, like analyzing big data or automating repetitive jobs. Meanwhile, humans can focus on creativity, leadership, and emotional intelligence, things that AI can't replicate. This collaboration between AI and humans is already happening. Think about how AI helps doctors make faster diagnoses, assists in legal research, or even drives innovation in industries like architecture and engineering. Together, we can achieve far more than we ever could alone. What does the future hold? So, what's next? As AI continues to develop, we'll likely see even more automation, from self-driving cars to smart cities. Some people worry that AI might take over jobs, but the reality is that AI will create new opportunities, just as past technological revolutions did. There are also concerns about AI becoming too powerful or autonomous, but with proper regulation and ethical guidelines, we can ensure that AI remains a tool for good. To wrap it all up, the future isn't about AI replacing humans, it's about how we can use AI to enhance our capabilities and solve problems we couldn't solve before. By combining the strengths of both AI and human intelligence, we'll unlock incredible possibilities. If you found today's discussion fascinating, make sure to subscribe to Fact Fusion Network and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on our next deep dive into the world of science and technology. Thanks for watching, and remember, the future is what we make of it, human and AI, working together.